stop for a coffee. I'm up in Edzell. Nice place in there, nice coffee shop. And I'm just exploring the back roads. I'm going to be able to fly the drone, if the weather's okay, on the top of a hill that I'm heading to. Let's go and see if we can find it. Alright, let's get going. Edzell used to be the home of an American base. An American base. It was a listening post. It was over that way someplace. It's all gone now. I think it's an industrial estate now of some description, or industrial units. And during my days when I worked for BT, I visited that place a couple of times. And on the base they drove on the other side of the road. They had their American cars. And abiding memory was the size of the fridge freezers. Yeah, it was the size of the fridge freezers that they had. They were enormous. In the school, I was doing something on the telephones. And I was in the school, and the school had a kitchen, which was huge. And the school had all the amenities you would expect. That was a long time ago. There's an old castle down this way, Edzell Castle. Apparently it's closed. Don't know too much about it. And it is closed. There we are. Welcome to Edzell Castle and Garden. Explore the noble residence with its magical garden and exquisite carvings. One of the things I'd like to highlight is the playlists that I've been making up. I've got plenty of playlists. A lot of the playlists have got unlisted videos in them, so that's the only place you're going to get to see them if you're interested. So head on down to the playlists and have a look, particularly the Euro 24 tour. I've got a couple of really nice videos there that probably not for general release, but are very nice nonetheless. Just like to say thanks to everyone who watches my videos, who comment, who like and subscribe. And very, very nice of you too. As folk know, I don't really go chasing views or subscriptions, but of course it's very nice when folk do that. When I was on tour, when I was coming back on the last day, heading back from Newcastle, my intercom gave up. Which was a bit of a shame, because I was listening to an audiobook, one of the Lord of the Rings books, but I'm enjoying it greatly. So I kind of thought, have I not charged it up properly? Unfortunately that's not the case. I've charged it up last night for the first time. It's been a few weeks since I've been back right enough. And unfortunately it cuts off after about 5 minutes, just shuts down. Isn't it primary school? How picturesque is this? a bit of a switch back. Well, this is pretty wonderful. I hope you're enjoying this road. You can see the road in front of you, how it snakes up there. Now then, I think we're going to go Brown and White Caterthuns. That's where we're going. Well, this road's a Bertie bonus. This is a new road to me. I did try and come down it last year, but it was closed. Don't know why it was closed. Don't know what the reason was. But it was closed from both ends, so that's a pity too, because it was a nice shiny day, nice sunny day. But I do like, I do prefer this type of road, this beer road, over the hills, snaking around. Now, I think we're getting very close to where I want to be. Yes, we are indeed. There's a car park here and we're going to pull over. Here we are. Let's find a spot to park the bike. Right, there we go. So welcome to Caterthuns. These massive hilltop enclosures on top of the Brown and White Caterthuns were built over 2,000 years ago. They have a powerful position in the landscape with views over Strathmore and up to the Angus Glens. Portions of the earthworks were evacuated in 1990s. Some parts have wooden palisades, and others a ditch with earth and some stone ramparts. The earthworks were built in phases. It is difficult to understand the exact sequence, but it appears that sites become larger over time. Radiocarbon dating suggests most construction was in the Iron Age between 750 BC and 200 BC. Both also have unfinished outer works. So there we are, we're down here, and then there's one up there and there's one over on the right there. So there's the white and the brown. And it's a beautiful day, so I'm going to pick the drone up and see what I can find. Right folks, that's me done my bit of drone files, flying. It's really windy up there, it was getting blown all over the place. I didn't take it too far. The aircraft was sitting at 60% attitude, so I've turned it off. Anyway, my batteries are about flat. I've forgotten to bring spare batteries, and I'm going to call it a day here. I hope you enjoyed this little ride. I'm going to wait to explore a bit more without cameras. There's a couple of roads that I'm going to take, but till the next time, bye bye.